Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all a quick recipe using cauliflower made with peas. This is the cauliflower. I'm going to show you all exactly how we clean this mini flowers off. We take off these green leaves off. And then we break gently these flowers. Actually, we pull and then you can cut it accordingly how big you like your flower to stay.
So the thing you're removing now is like a stringy part.
Yes.
It doesn't cook.
It doesn't cook.
Okay.
Here's my cauliflower, which I washed and drained out. And in fact, this is half of the cauliflower. I kept the other half away for another day, maybe to prepare with some lovely mince. And the ingredients are, I've got 1 small onion sliced and 1 small tomato grated, a tablespoon of ginger garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of mixed masala. The masala that I showed you all how I mix it with my curry leaf in it. And then I have a small handful of frozen peas which washed and drained out. And then I'm going to braise with just 1/4 cup of oil. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I'm using a flat pot so you can get directly looking into the pot. I put my 1/4 cup of oil, and then my onions, allow these onions to fry out red. The onions are fried out now, so I'm just going to add in my ginger garlic, and I'm adding my masala to fry out. And then goes in my cauliflower. I will allow it to coat in with the masala, and maybe for about 10 minutes to steam out. While that is getting done, I can add in my teaspoon of fine salt, but you can add in salt to your taste. And I'll let it to simmer for 15 minutes to 10 minutes. See the masala is well coated in. Now I'll put the stove on low and cover it with my lid till it get a little bit softened. 10 minutes has passed us. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water just for it to steam out and soften. Give it a stir and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes and then we can watch on. 10 minutes has passed and I'm going to check in on my cauliflower. You see it has come, the water has dried, it's come to a fry, but I can still feel the stems are slightly hard. So I'm going to use another 1/2 cup of water, so that gives us 250 ml water in total. I will allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, but we'll keep watching. If you like a gravy finish in your cauliflower, you can use 2 tablespoons of yogurt. It gives it a thick gravish finish. 10 minutes has passed us and the next 1/2 cup of water dried up. So I'm going to add in my frozen peas, and we did taste the salt. It was okay, and I'm going to add in my tomatoes, which is optional. And I'll stir it well and leave it for another 15 minutes and it's completely done. Okay, 15 minutes is being done, so I'm going to check on my cauliflower. In fact, it's looking done. It came to the fry. And then I'm going to garnish with some dhania. And that's done. In fact, this curry actually took about 45 minutes in very slow cooking and very simple and quick. There you go, your lovely cauliflower with peas and some hot roti to have it with, and we have some lovely nuts chutney for the side. Enjoy.
Here's your cauliflower and peas, or in Hindi they say Gobi Matar.